Beloved people of South Africa, this is Mthembu, the President of the people of the country. As I promised a few days ago that I would be laying out plans to reform our government and our country. Today, I'm laying out the first Reform Act, which is the People's Representation Act. The economy of South Africa is in the hands of foreign nationals, while overwhelming majority of our people continue to suffer and be dependent on government handouts. The legacy of corruption and imposters is turning our country, South Africa, into a failed state. Illegal immigrants contribute nothing to the fiscal as they operate businesses without paying tax. Take, for instance, Joburg CBD, the small street. All those shops operating there are operated by foreign nationals. They only pay rent, burden community resources and greed, while most of them are not registered and are undocumented. They make millions of rents from our country and do not contribute nothing. This is why our country faces a severe fiscal shortfall. A country run by criminals in shirts that has a high government debt, a weak economy, is destined to fail. The solution for this is to get the economy back to the people of South Africa so that economy will flow among us. I have established a Representative of the People Act. The Act will protect South African resources against exploiters and foreign criminals, while ensuring South African people engage in economic activities. This means that first preference will be given to South Africans in government institutions and informal and formal trading. From now on, no foreign national will be allowed to operate business if they do not invest over 5 million rand and employ locals. Every foreign national working in government institution, whether university, hospital, school, or municipal office, forfeits their job and will have their employment contract terminated. There are plenty unemployed South African graduates who will fill those job posts. The fact that the borders are porous, South Africa has been compromised by the same people who claim to be leaders and liberated, but are nothing but slaves of corruption. To ensure that South African people are not displaced, the Representation of the People Act comes into effect today, Sunday, 14 September 2025, by the authority that God has given me and the authority that I have. This act will be effective from today. South African resources and economy belongs to the people of South Africa only. May the Lord Jesus Christ guide, protect, edify, and bless the people of South Africa. Thank you.